arriving now next park in Argetinië. We just paid our tickets and then you go to here, this website, you show your tickets and then you can go inside. Now we're giving like a small tour, but in Portuguese, so I'm just standing here waiting till we can go, and then we go to the waterfalls. But there's more trails to make, so we will see which trail we're gonna do, because we have to go back around 2:30, I guess. It's now 10:30, so we have a lot of hours. So it'll be good. Inside of the train just in time. It's very cool. So now we're gonna go up and then we're gonna get the trips. There's a boat we can use. Here's the start of the waterfall. More waterfalls. I guess let's start here as well, because on the right side here it's almost no force of it. And when you look here, here's already starting some crazy stuff. Let's go swim. Now arriving at the waterfalls. From the other side is the Argetinië side. You already can see it there. If you fall inside of this water, you're gonna fall inside the devil's throat, translated in Spanish. It doesn't seem like a hole, you're gonna fall inside.
Like a stove.
So yeah, we are in one of the nature world wonders, and we are in Argetinië, so it's like two things at the one time. It's funny because on this side there's almost nothing happening, and then you look on the other side, you're gonna die. Very busy at least, but it's a wonderful day. What would you expect? Now we're trying to find another spot for beautiful photos. I will show some photos in between the videos, and you're gonna see it now. Over here we're getting a bit wet because of the water that comes off. It's very refreshing. You can see my glass is totally wet already, I guess. Look at it, beautiful. And over there is the Brazilian where we were yesterday. Now we say goodbye to the waterfalls. It's very beautiful. We enjoyed ourselves a bit as well. And now we're gonna do a trail. It's gonna be awesome as well, but we have more 3 hours, so it's gonna be cool. Yesterday we went here with the boats. And now we're on the other side, but we want to go down here. Down you can stay as well. Okay, now we are in the trail. We are gonna, I don't know, walk around 2 hours in total. And now we went this way, we went with the boat, what I already said before. And this is what we saw yesterday from the boat. You can see there's the boat. And it's like a really big waterfall as well. What I just said about the water, just staying there, and now we are here. Look at this. So much water here. Unbelievable. Look at the view. This is the bay where all the boats come and take the tour, etc. Very beautiful. And up there you have a hotel. Look at that hotel there, the pink one. It's around 7,000 real for 1 night or 2 nights. It's very expensive. We are in another trail right now. There's the waterfalls we've just been, so we walked all the way around here to make another trail. Listen to the water. As you can see, there's two sides. We're gonna go down now, and afterwards we continue the trip. So there we go. Beautiful water here. I guess we drove here yesterday with the boat, maybe. It also makes like this things in the water to suck you down, so it's very dangerous. So that was part of the small waterfalls here. I think it's very, very beautiful. And again, of course, very much forest. It's undescribable. It's very nice. I hope you guys enjoy it. We were here in the beginning, now we're all the way here, this from the other side. Here's the Devil's Throats, that's how they call it. Now we arrived at the very, very close to the waterfall. I guess I'm gonna get wet. That was the waterfalls again. I broke my sunglasses, so I'm without now. I don't know what happened, but I guess one screw fell out. I don't know where. I don't know how. I don't know when. So probably have to buy a new one or put a new screw. I have to see it. I'm gonna fix this. But the waterfalls, very beautiful. And now we are walking back. So I should go back in 45 minutes. Maybe eat something, drink.